So I got in a pair of shears from a young girl from one of the local salons this morning. I'm going to test them real quick on dry tissue paper. And you can see it will not even cut dry cleanly. So we know it won't cut wet tissue. We will try some hair real quick here. And it just pushes the hair. So we're going to sharpen them and see how they do.
We made Oklahoma a little after 3. Randy and his brother Bob, my old GMC. Had some moonshine whiskey and summer bombs homegrown. So messed up we didn't know we were drunk or stoned. Randy was a sad, sad, tall, kind of frail. Bob was a raving maniac, crazier than hell. Been kicked out of high school several years ago, pushing over porta cans in a 4-H rodeo. Since then they'd done their little dance right outside the law. Popped once in Oklahoma, once in Arkansas. Never know what possessed me to want to tag along, 'cause I was raised a Christian and I knew right from wrong. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line you're gonna pay. In the dawn before the light, live or die by shades of gray. We stole 2 Charlie heifers, Randy Sweetheart's paw. Sold them at a livestock show outside of Wichita. We got $900 and never did suspect the world I heard we'd be in once we cast the check. That night we heard the story on the local radio. Made our plans that very night to go to Mexico. Swear we would have made it if it wasn't for the shine. I got sick about the time we crossed that Kansas line. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line you're gonna pay. In the dawn for the light, live or die by shades of gray. I was laying in the bar ditch, praying I would die, when a light came on above us and a voice called from the sky. A half a dozen unmarked cars came screeching to a halt. Bobby started screaming, it was all my fault. Every man and dogs and helicopters buzzing all around, had the brothers on the pickup hood, me down on the ground. Bob flew all to pieces, Randy he held tight, when a black man in a suit and tie stepped down into the light. Well, he told his men, turn us loose, and they put down their guns. He said, these are just some sorry kids, they ain't the one. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line you're gonna pay. In the dawn before the light, live or die by shades of gray. They left us on the road, side down, hearted and alone. Ran the guy behind the wheel, said, boys, I'm going home. We turned around to face our fate, hungover, but alive on that morning in late April, Oklahoma, 95. Right or wrong, black or white, cross the line, you're gonna pay. In the dawn before the light, live or die by shades of gray. Live or die by shades of gray. Live or die by shades of gray.
Okay, let's try our first dry tissue test. That cuts pretty good. There's very little pressure to cut through that. So let's get it wet and see how the wet tissue test works. That feels really good, but that doesn't tell the whole story here. Let's try some hair. I'm going to reposition the camera. Okay. Let's try some hair. Oh, that cuts really good. Very nice. Those are excellent. So there we go. Those are sharpened for the young lady. Thanks for watching.